Hi guys, it's your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for subscribing. In this video, I will show you how I achieved this lovely box braid hairstyle. So I'm using some got2b gel to first get her baby hair out of the way, as her hair is very soft and straight and I have a very tight grip. So it's safer for me to just get these out the way so that I don't pull her baby hair into the braids. So I'm sectioning the hair from the side of the head and I'm parting out this much hair. And then I'm now parting out my triangle shapes. And if you would like to learn more on how to part these triangle shapes with the right composition and balance, please check out my video tutorial on how to rope twist and style with the right parting and layering, as I explain in details how to part and layer braids when making triangle shapes so you can achieve the best results. So I'm going to start my first braid and I'm using the feeding braid technique, so this is my way of doing it. First, I section out the braid according to the density of the braids that I want to achieve, and then I split that into 3 sections, making each piece with a different density. So my second piece will be thicker than the first, and the third piece thicker than the second, and so forth. So watch carefully the position of my hands. So I start off my plait with a natural hair, and here is where I will add my first piece of extension, and I'm using the thinner piece first. And once I get that in, I will plait 2 times to secure my extension before adding any more hair to this braid. So now that's secure, I am going in with my second piece. Plait once and go in with the third. And you can add as much hair as you want to achieve thicker braids, or add less hair to achieve thinner braids. So now I'm at the section to the front. I am going to create a little pattern here. So first I part around the triangle shape. I then cornrow this. And I am plaiting it out a bit because her hair is very soft and it gets loose very quickly. So I have to work fast with this one. So I'm doing the same as before. I'm starting my plait with the natural hair, and here is where I will start to add my extension, and then I plait that in 2 times to make it secure, and then I go in with the second piece and so forth. So I'm going to continue this pattern going up on this side, and I will do the same on the other side, and then I'll leave the back for last so that I will get my composition right on both sides. So this is my version of making knotless feed-in box braids, and everyone has a different angle. So if my technique doesn't work as well for you, or you find it difficult, I would recommend that you practice on a doll's head and find an angle that works well for you. And also check out my video tutorial on a dozen ways to braid, as I take you back to the basics and through the 12 stages that I believe will help you to become better at braiding and give you a better understanding and knowledge on how to make braiding more simpler. If you like what you're seeing so far, then please consider subscribing to my channel for future hairstyling tutorials, and also follow my Facebook page at Speechless Hairstyles for future updates on what to expect on this channel. Most importantly, please follow me on Instagram at speechless_hair_style to request a tutorial for any hairstyle that you might like on the page, but you're not too sure how to achieve it. So just drop a comment under the hairstyle that you like on my Instagram page, and I will do my best to give you a tutorial. Also, the hair that I am using is the Expression Ultra Braid, and this is color 1B. And as some of you might know, the original Expression comes very long in the pack, so I just cut that in half to get my desired length. And if you don't know, then drop a comment below and I will show you how the hair looks in the pack and how I cut the hair. Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video, as I will be showing you how I hot water the hair and accessorize the hair.
I'm telling you, it is just absolutely, you don't understand, this hair is light.
So you have to play it over and
Because
over.
I have to wait for it to come off.
Okay.
Check out my sister Tash on her YouTube channel. What's your YouTube?
I'm posting it on my Instagram too.
Splendid. You can check out my sister Tash on her YouTube channel. What's your YouTube? Pardon?
Smell like I you. So over you. You trying to be sweet. I'm looking for me. Shut up.